Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2005 Case 420 with 1,420 hours. This skid steer has 56 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission, and is equipped with high-flow hydraulics and a hydraulic coupler. The lifting arm has a capacity of 1,750 pounds and a 60-inch bucket. The enclosed cab features heating and air conditioning. If you're interested in this Case 420 and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.